Hi everyone, Maria here. Yesterday I did this recording, and thank you, Bala Subramania, for letting me know on Facebook. He's one of my friends, Bala Subramania. Thank you so much for letting me know that the video was not working. So I'm going to re-record. Guys, I do this like live. I don't edit it, as you can tell, because I don't know how to edit. So I do this live. So let's hope I can get all the information in that I got in yesterday. Yesterday, what the video was about using your affiliate business system and your Estage as your lead magnet. For those of you who have purchased affiliate business system from me and have it, well, I'm going to go through this with you. What I'm going to share is that this is, I'm sorry, this is the Estage right here. And your Estage is what you get with the affiliate business system. You get to do your own hub, your own domain, and we show you how to do this. And then this is what you get. You get a done for you business in a box. It has a lot of pages, and you can add a lot more than this, okay? But what I showed yesterday was, and I just kept it because there's a lot here. So I just said some of these buttons are still, I'm still changing it up. So I'm activating them now. But I did want to go ahead and show you two things here because people have asked me, well, how do you use it as a lead magnet? Where does it go? Well, here on these two resources here, which is on my homepage, you get on-demand webinars and on-demand free courses. So when someone clicks on here, they actually get taken here to on-demand video. So you have all these tools here. You can watch videos and stuff, but that's just going to do that. So let me go back because I really want to show you the courses. And sorry, but yesterday I did a good video. Now I have to redo it, but I don't mind. As you could tell, I could make a video a day, no problem. But here, if you go, this is what I'm talking about, the lead magnet. If you do, if you show this to someone and they're like, oh, okay, free courses, let me check it out. Because one of the keys to the affiliate business system is that you're building a community, you're building a group of people who are interested in what you're doing. And that's how you grow a business, this type of business with affiliate marketing. So here's the course. You click on course and look what it's going to do. You get all these free courses. These courses are also under the affiliate business system. So you have to look at this and see this, but some of these courses are going to be included in a different way. So you have to just come on board and check it all out. But for you who don't want to participate in the affiliate business system, that's fine. But I'm going to give you free access to all these courses. There's these courses and there's more to go. So let's click on good old Les Brown here and see what he's offering. So when we click on Les Brown to go to our free course, this is what's going to happen. You're not going to get it. You can get the free course access now. The core value, this is the core value, $4.95, and you can join our community. So all of these courses, I'm going to click on, let's get some momentum going here. Momentum, you see, all of them, I've taken these buttons, and this one's good right here. This one, oh my God, it's great stuff. This one here is great too, the 7 Steps to Freedom. I went to business school, and boy, the stuff that I learned in this one, unbelievable. And the mass traffic blueprint, they'll take you there. So we're saying, so now what do I do? How do I get the free course? Easy, so easy. All you have to do is click on this button, join VIP community. That's my community. You click there and you're taken to my community. And here, as you can tell, this also comes as part of the affiliate business system. I have my little logo here that I created in Canva. I can show you how to do that easy. And then I have all this already done for me and created for me. I just add stuff. There you go. And the way someone would join is you would come here yourself if you're watching this video and you want to join my community. Click here, join my group. Of course, you're going to get this page, add your name, number, email, and remember, your email has to be valid because it will be verified. You're going to click on it to get in. Then once you do that, you just log on in, and I'm going to show you a glimpse of my community right now, because I'm going to go to my own and log in, and here's my community. And you see, it took me right to the courses, which is exactly what I wanted to show you, because this is so flexible back here that I decided to make my community, courses, my home. There it is, home, set to home. And you can see that some of the other ones, like my discussion, I had that as home, but it's not set to home anymore. So now when you go there, when you click, you register, you sign up, you go to home, you get instant access. Here you go. You get all these courses. Let's click on one of my favorites. I like them all actually, but this one, really, like I said, I went to business school, and the stuff I learned here, I wish they had taught that in business school. But here, get those 1,000 members. How do you do that? What do you do? It's all video. And the key here is that this is the program, but it's also giving you resources that you could click and find out about. So what today's video is about, and I know I'm a little all over the place, is that I wanted to show you that with the affiliate business system, you can use it as a lead magnet. This is my affiliate business system. This is the actual hub that is given to me as a member of the affiliate business system. I customized this. I put my logo. I changed some of these things around. I can add my picture. This is a newer version, so I don't have my picture up because I didn't feel like doing it. But some of these buttons, this one's not activated yet. I'm working through it, guys. You can add your own information, or this is already, all this is provided for you. So how to use it as a lead magnet? Here you go. Premium courses for free, which is real. And then you can also just join my community. So what I would do is get someone to click on here. Again, they would be taken directly to this page where all the courses are. They would click on a course, and they can't get in because you have to join my community. I'm logged in. So I'm going to come into my community now, and you will see it again. And there it is. It kind of clicked something else there, but there's my community. But normally, if I log out and then you go to courses and you click here, you're here. You come right back to this now. Now you have to join. And to join, you just do all this, answer the questions, and I will confirm you. You're not just going to come in as, I have it set as a private group, and I can do a public or private, and then I will let you in. Another thing I want to show you that I showed in yesterday's video that didn't record, thanks, is this. This is the actual platform that builds it. Here it is. It's a builder. And you see the building is over here on this side. And as you can tell, if you go here, I'm on home too, because this is a 2.0 version. And I've been doing this a while, so I kind of know how to use it. And look, I can help you, because look at all these pages I've created. And I have more than that, because I have some opt-in pages. I created some on my own opt-in pages. Check how cute this page is. I'm kind of proud of it. I like this page, but I created this page. And well, we have some templates too. And I have some that I've actually created from scratch. This is from a template. And I added all this, but you connect all these buttons and stuff. But I just wanted to show you that this is more than just a site where you can go to and you can get courses for free. It's way more than that. And I wanted to share this with you. I'm going to start sharing more of this with you, because I really think you would benefit from it. I mean, if you're trying to start a business, I know when I first started, it's like difficult. It's like, okay, how do I do a website? I go here, I go there. But what does the website looks like? I'm telling you, when we first started this project with the affiliate business system and the people I'm involved with, we all got a hub. We all got a website. We could build it ourselves. We could do that. Oh my God, I had such a disaster going because I'm not a designer. I'm not a web designer. So the creative mind, who is Vic, came up with this. And now we all have the same thing, but we're all different because we have our own domain name, our own way of doing things. And many people have styled this differently. You can change the background color. You can do everything. We even get our own, terms and all this. We can connect to our social media. It's fabulous. But the story of this video is, how do you use affiliate business system and Estage, which is this platform, to your benefit, to use it as a lead magnet? This is how. This is how. This other stuff, this will take you someplace too. But basically, you're going to go in, you're going to see all this cool stuff. You're like, oh man, I like this. I like this. Ooh, I need to learn Instagram. Click on Instagram. No, I can't get in. Oh, wow. Okay, here. Join it. And Maria's going to know who I am and she's going to let me in. I am in the third person. I don't know. I'm that person now, I guess. But anyway, join for free. Come on, join. I've been making these videos for you guys. Join me. And this is free, by the way. Did I say that early? Free, free, free. So this is what we're going to do. And that's it. That's what I wanted to show you. How to use affiliate business system and Estage as a lead magnet. That's how you do it. You just get the affiliate business system. You get the done for you business in a box, which is this business. I know I'm going over it again because I'm all over the place. You get this with all these pages and some. You just have to add some, remove some, whatever you want. And you see, like down here, I have a few more pages. So you can just do what you want. And then here, this is a free course. You can even add your own courses. So if you decide, oh, I want to add more courses, it's easy. You can add your own courses if you want. It's no big deal. You just go and you can add courses, any courses you want. Let me go to my other course page. You can add more courses if you like, because no one's stopping you. You can add more. Here we go. See, there's a way to add more. I'm not going to add more right now, but you can add. You can actually duplicate. You can duplicate and just change the pictures and stuff. You do what you want to do. It's flexible. So today, that's all I wanted to show you. Yes, you can use the affiliate business system as a lead magnet, and then it funnels people right into your community, and then you give them more value within the community, and there's other private stuff within the community that I have. So for now, that's what I'm going to leave you with, and thank you so much for letting me know that the video sound quality was off, so I re-recorded it. All right. Thank you for listening. You have a great day. Bye-bye.